Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your 4G phone 5G compatible. So, if you want to have a stronger internet like 5G on your 4G phone, unfortunately, it's not possible to physically upgrade a 4G phone to 5G because the hardware components that support 5G technology, such as the modem and antenna, are not present in the 4G phone. But there are a few indirect ways to improve your 4G mobile experience. First, you can upgrade to a 5G compatible phone, so you can check with your carrier if they often offer trade-in programs or financing options to make a switch easier. You can switch your phone, or you can also consider refurbish or use phone. You can try to find a second-hand phone that more affordable options for you. And the second one, you can maximize your 4G network. You can ensure you have the latest software. So updates on Android often include optimizations for network performance, so you can try that. And you can also check for the network coverage. So if you are in an area with weak 4G signal, it might be not be possible to experience optimal speeds. And the last one, you can utilize Wi-Fi. So you can use Wi-Fi connection that can significantly improve your internet speed and reduce the data storage. So you can turn it off, the data. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.